So now coming to Devi Pendant. This is Bhairavi. There are two sizes basically that comes with copper Devi Pendant. This is Devi Pendant, the smallest one, copper. We have silver also, right? Is it visible? I am not sure. So both generally worn on a red string. So this is silver and copper.
So is there any special care like during bathing and
No, this can be worn entirely throughout. While bathing also you need not remove it or anything as such. Care would be, no, you can have it throughout the time, no specific. Again, like copper, you can just clean it with vibhuti. Generally it comes with the red string, although there is a silver chain that is also can be worn for the pendants. That is for the Devi pendants.
so the main item?
Yes. So main would be, okay, am I? So yes, the first and foremost of any Ishas as a mark, no, although not a mark. So copper pendant, copper rings, the snake copper ring as it is known. It comes both in copper as well as silver. That not many people know about it. Well, yes. So this is generally always worn for both men and women on your left hand ring finger. This is what we'll be generally wearing it. So these are again consecrated snake rings. Okay. Few people, I guess he is not wearing one. That got released when Adiyogi was unveiled. This is Adiyogi Earring. Very few people know. And the silver. The same. Two. Usually you will see all the men wearing either with just the stud or with the full Adiyogi earring. Okay. So those are the jewelry items that we currently have. Yes, few more for the ladies. Can't be finally. So this is the Naga copper bracelet. The workmanship for this is unmatched, I guess. The mesh, is it? Yes, it's visible, right? Okay. Okay. So sorry. Yeah, I guess yes. Just a bracelet, copper mesh for the ladies. Okay, so for the men we have the khada. The Adiyogi cuff comes currently out of stock. So we also have, not that we don't. Okay. I guess that covers the consecrated items of at least this part. Yes. Oh, the solid fragrances. Currently we have. So this is quite a long-lasting beeswax. It comes in. It's a small, just this size. Okay, you just open it up. There's a silver foil. Open it up. It lasts quite a long. It comes in number of fragrances. We have currently the Ayurveda and the relax version of this. The other varieties, website. Okay, so currently we have two that is seen. Kavacham is currently available only in two sizes. I'm sorry, Ashram is not sending. We have the large and the small. We are expecting the other sizes in another 2 weeks or so. Okay, so that is this part. Cut? no cut?
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to his channel. Okay.
Hey, hope you guys enjoyed the video. So there are a lot more parts of the video where Somnath talks about a lot more products that Isha Life is offering. So I'll be putting it out soon, very soon. So I just want to tell you guys that all the products that are shown and not yet shown are available in the Isha Life website in India and also in the offline stores around the country. So if you are in anywhere in India, you can definitely buy the products online. Like in most of the pin codes, it is delivered. And just in case if it is not available, that this ishalife.com is not delivering to your place, then definitely reach out to Somnath. But other than that, always buy from the Isha Life website. I think that will be easy for you guys. And also, even if you are abroad, we also have a lot of Isha Life stores abroad in a lot of countries, and also the websites also are available. So please make sure that you buy the products locally. In case if the products are not available there and they are not able to ship it to you or something like that happens, then you reach out to Somnath and then we can see how to make it happen to you. So all the websites are linked in the description. Means I'll try to find the websites. I do not know all the websites, but I'll try the maximum websites and I'll link it in the description. So one thing that I want to tell you is, like, whenever you buy a product from Isha Life, you need to know that most of the proceeds, almost fully goes to the Isha outreach program, which works for the welfare of the people in villages in the rural parts of Tamil Nadu. So wherever you are, in whichever city you are, we all want to contribute to villages, we want to help, we want to take part in rural upliftment, but we are not able to. So if that is something that you want to do, just by buying these products and replacing the existing products that you buy, like Isha Life has so much range of products that can cover anything and all of your needs in your daily life. So if you can slowly replace your products with Isha Life products, it will in turn help the volunteers who are working in the Isha outreach programs to make things happen there. And also, last but not the least, again the disclaimer that yes, I have a tie-up with Somnath. So if you buy products from him, it in turn helps me in a big way to making content and keeping this sustainable. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. So do reach out to Somnath if you want to. And last but not the least, subscribe to the channel. Like or dislike is fine, but subscribe is important. So thank you guys. Take care. Namaskaram.